Ever since I switched to the Mediterranean diet, I've felt so much better, more energy, less bloating, even my skin looks healthier.
Seriously? I've been thinking about trying it. What's the big deal about it anyway?
Well, it's mostly whole foods, fruits, veggies, olive oil, fish, nuts. No heavy processed stuff. Plus, it's heart healthy and great for brain function too.
That explains why Mediterranean folks seem to live forever.
Exactly. It's not just the food, though. It's the lifestyle, slow meals, family time, walking. It's healthy with flavor and balance.
I'm excited about that. Alright, you've convinced me. Tonight, what does Afsan Farm Kitchen have to provide us today?
They always have a variety of healthy recipes. Let's dive into it.
Awesome. Let's do it.
Welcome to Afsan Farm Kitchen, where our cozy farm kitchen brings you healthy, delicious, and globally inspired recipes. With a love for Middle Eastern and Mediterranean cuisines, vibrant flavors, and nutritional goodness, we make it simple to enjoy wholesome, flavorful meals at home. Whether you're recreating comforting classics or trying something new, our recipes are perfect for every season. Let's share the joy of good food, health, and togetherness. From our kitchen to yours. The traditional cuisines of the nations bordering the Mediterranean Sea served as the inspiration for the Mediterranean diet. According to the Cleveland Clinic, it stresses plant-based foods, including fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, nuts, and healthy fats, particularly olive oil. As the main protein sources, moderate amounts of fish and seafood are recommended, while red meat should only be eaten infrequently, and chicken, eggs, cheese, and yogurt should be used in moderation. When planning a dinner party menu around seasonal ingredients, it helps to start by identifying what's fresh and widely available in your region during that particular time of year. Since you didn't specify a location or exact time of year, our culinary chef, Afsan, can give you a general overview of typical seasonal ingredients for each season in the Northern Hemisphere. Let me know if you're in a different part of the world in the comment, and I'll tailor it accordingly. Winter, roughly December, February. Produce, root vegetables, carrots, parsnips, beets, turnips, sweet potatoes, winter squash, butternut, acorn, spaghetti squash, kabocha, cruciferous vegetables, Brussels sprouts, cauliflower, cabbage, hearty greens, kale, collard greens, Swiss chard, alliums, onions, garlic, leeks. Fruits, citrus, oranges, mandarins, grapefruits, lemons, pomegranates, pears, cranberries, late fall through winter. Proteins, hearty cuts that do well with longer cooking times, like beef chuck, lamb shanks, pork shoulder. Roasting poultry, including chicken, turkey, and duck, is popular in colder weather. Key flavor notes, earthy, warming spices such as cinnamon, nutmeg, and cloves, with hearty herbs such as rosemary, thyme, and sage. Spring, roughly March-May. Produce, tender greens, baby spinach, pea shoots, arugula, early veggies, peas, asparagus, radishes, artichokes, alliums, spring onions, ramps, green garlic. Fruits, strawberries, late spring, apricots, late spring, rhubarb. Proteins, lighter fare. Think roasted chicken, fish or lamb with fresh herb sauces. Eggs often feature in spring menus. Quiches, frittatas, to highlight early produce. Key flavor notes, bright, fresh herbs, mint, dill, chives, parsley. Lemony tang, floral notes. Summer, roughly June-August. Produce, summer veggies, tomatoes, zucchini, eggplant, peppers, cucumbers, corn greens, fresh lettuce, basil, cilantro, and other tender herbs, beans, green beans, snap peas, summer shell beans. Fruits, stone. Fruits, peaches, plums, nectarines, cherries, berries. Strawberries in early summer, blueberries, raspberries, blackberries, melons, watermelon, cantaloupe. Proteins, lighter grilling cuts, chicken breasts, fish fillets, shrimp, steak cuts for quick grilling, Oh, think barbecue, kebabs, and fresh seafood. Key flavor notes: bright, fresh flavors, lots of herbs, basil, cilantro, citrus, and light dressings. Fall, roughly September, November. Produce: oh, transition, veggies, late summer tomatoes and peppers linger into early fall, a squash and gourds. Pumpkin, butternut, acorn, delicata, oh, root vegetables. Carrots, potatoes, sweet potatoes, oh, mushrooms. Many varieties are abundant in fall. Fruits: oh, apples, pears, grapes, figs, oh, early citrus, like clementines. Proteins: oh, hearty stews and roasts such as pork, turkey, and game meats, if available in your area. Oh, chicken and fish can be paired with autumnal sides like roasted squash, apples, and sage. Key flavor notes: warm, cozy spices, cinnamon, nutmeg, earthy herbs, sage, rosemary, sweet and savory combos, apples and onions, pears with cheese. How to pinpoint what's in season near you. 1. Check local farmers markets. See what's readily available. 2. Use seasonal produce guides, online resources, local extension offices, produce seasonality charts, can give you specifics for your region. 3. Ask around. Grocers or local farmers often know exactly what's best at any given time. Thank you for being part of our channel. If you like this program, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for future useful information and cooking recipes from around the world. Thank you.
Mountains tall, whisper hidden lore, streams so pure, life we can't ignore. Techno hustle, met the nature's grace, simple life, slowing down the race. Right turn now, step into the green, city fade, forest intervene. Live simple, hearts feeling free, nature's song, our true destiny. Chirping, symphony divine, breeze runs wild, sweet like wine. Disconnect to reconnect in the wild. Live simple, live free, just like a child.
Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos and easy recipes.
We're caught up in the rush, life on the go. Screens flashing fast, we're missing the flow. City buzzing, drowning in the sound. Lost in the shuffle, gotta turn it around. Money, fame, we chase these dreams, but the simple life's the one that redeems. Nature's the remedy, the purest of all. Let's break the chains, hear the wild call. At the end of the road, what we see is a simple life, nature's peak. Feet on the earth, feel the vibe. That's where love and peace reside. Leave behind the stress, the constant grind, finding solace in the natural kind. Forests whisper, rivers sing, in the heart of nature we find everything. Digital distractions, let them fade. Embrace the wild, no longer afraid. Reconnect to the roots, that's the goal. In the arms of nature we heal the soul. At the end of the road, what we see is a simple life, nature's peak. Feet on the earth, feel the vibe. That's where love and peace reside. night, leave the fires in the vast night sky. Campfires glow, spirits high. Fresh breeze breathing life anew. In nature's cradle, finding what's true. No more chaos, no more lies. Nature's truth in the clear blue skies. Growing food, living clean. Nature's palette, the richest green. Slow it down, find the beat. Nature's rhythm, life's retreat. Peace and love, that's the creed. At the end, it's all we need. At the end of the road, what we see is a simple life, nature's peak. Feet on the earth, feel the vibe. That's where love and peace reside. So let's return to the essence pure. Nature's embrace, the ultimate cure. In the wild we're truly free, living simple, naturally.